I'm Shannon, and I share our family's journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt and all the fun and frugal things we do to get there faster. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Today, I'm sharing 3 cute and easy Easter brunch or breakfast ideas that you can make right at home. One of the most important ways that we save money is by not eating out, and although we do often go out to eat for like birthdays or special occasions, I thought it would be really fun to host my mom and sister and my nephew at our house for an Easter brunch this year and an Easter egg hunt. So whether you're trying to save money by celebrating Easter at home this year, or just the idea of taking a bunch of kids out to eat at a restaurant on Sunday morning after they've been shoveling chocolate into their mouth for hours from the Easter Bunny, and that just doesn't sound like the most fun morning for you, then I think you'll love these quick and easy Easter brunch ideas that you can make at home. So let's just jump right in. Okay, first we're gonna make bunny-shaped pancakes and this really cute Peeps pancake skillet I got at Target, and I will link it in the description box below. And I was hoping it would be super simple, but it is a little bit tricky, so I was glad I practiced with it beforehand, and I'm gonna show you guys some tips. So it did come with a pancake mix to make 6 pancakes, so I'm just using the pancake mix that it came with, but you could obviously use any pancake mix, your favorite pancake recipe from scratch or Bisquick or whatever you have. The instructions on the box say 3 tablespoons, which is about a 1/4 cup of pancake batter, and you do not want to overfill this. So just pour a little bit in, spread it out, because what you're gonna then do is flip the pancake into another skillet that you already have preheated. You want it to already be preheated so that the batter doesn't just splash everywhere. And as you could see by my first attempt, it was not that great, but I did get better as I went. So you want to really make sure that that batter is starting to bubble and that it's really ready. So this attempt was a lot better. And basically what I did was I just trimmed the excess off with a butter knife to make it a really cute little pancake. So it's a little bit extra, it's some extra work like to make bunny-shaped pancakes for Easter, but I like to do these little things to make holidays a little bit more special and things that my kids will remember. So I thought this was really fun, and actually my kids ate these this morning with Nutella on them and they were really good. Then I'm just multitasking and arranging these cute so I can take a photo for my blog, and those cute little Easter dish towels are actually from the Target Dollar Spot. The next thing we're making is bunny-shaped cinnamon rolls. So I've seen this going around on like TikTok, Pinterest, pretty much everywhere, so I decided to attempt it. And I think I got the wrong cinnamon rolls. Like, I don't know, everyone else like peeled them so perfectly and beautifully, like unrolled them so that they could make the ears, and mine were just like a mess, but I made it work. So it's dough, so I basically just kind of like rolled it and like cut it up and then rolled it into little strips, and then I was able to cut those strips in half. So I used it came with 8 cinnamon rolls. I used 6 for the heads, and then I used the 2 extra to make the ears. And I do think that my ears were a little bit short, so you'll see like these bunnies are kind of mice. I don't know, they look like bears or like mice, but you do want the ears to be a little longer. And I tried, you'll see in a second, I try to kind of stretch them out a little bit to make them longer for bunny ears. But I do think that if you maybe use an extra, like get 2 or 3 packs of cinnamon rolls, so you have extra cinnamon rolls to use just for the ears, so you can get nice long ears, they'll be a little bit better. But my kids thought these were really cute, like since obviously I'm making this ahead for Easter to do for this video, but I showed them to them and they ate them for after school snacks, and they were very impressed by the bunny ears for the bunny-shaped cinnamon rolls. So my kids like them, and that's all that really matters. But yeah, when I attempt this in the future, I will try to find cinnamon rolls that unroll better, I guess. So let me know if I got the wrong cinnamon rolls. I don't know. This next recipe is a frugal favorite because you can use whatever you have. These are mini egg bites. So I'm making these with ham since it's for Easter brunch idea. And you could use bacon, sausage, you could add some cilantro, you could add cheese, you could use whole eggs. And in this recipe, I'm doing like a healthier version. So I'm doing egg whites, I'm doing spinach, ham, and then I'm using dairy-free cheese that I'm trying because I've personally been eating dairy-free lately because I've been noticing that dairy is really upsetting my stomach. So my entire family, they eat regular dairy and stuff, but I've been trying to make like little things, trying out some dairy-free options for myself. So I got that Daiya dairy-free cheese at Target. And honestly, like I couldn't taste a difference. It melted fine. It tasted super good. So I was excited about that. Of course, it's more expensive than regular cheese, but honestly, regular cheese has been pretty expensive lately anyways too. So you're just gonna fill all of the mini muffins. You could also make regular sized, like 12 regular sized egg cups, but you're gonna fill them up with all your add-ins first, and then you're gonna pour the egg mixture over all of the cups. So this is where things went really wrong with me, and I think I might add like a little almond milk next time to thin out the eggs because they were like so clumpy, I guess. It was hard for me to like get them evenly spread in all the cups. So now the cinnamon rolls are done and I put the egg cups in, and I'm just frosting it with the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls. And as you can see, some of them are cats, some of them are bears, some of them are mice possibly, but this one looked like a bunny to me. So I thought they turned out really cute, and I'm excited to try it again on Easter morning. I definitely overfilled the cups, so that was my biggest issue with these, but they did taste really good, and I'm definitely gonna make these again on Easter morning. I hope this inspired you with some fun ideas for Easter breakfast. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll add all the recipes in the description below the video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Easter, and I'll see you guys in the next one.